Today we're going to talk about how to wire wrap beads. This is a great way to provide accents for your beads, making them a little more fun, and they can even act as pendants. How you're going to start is to have a bead that essentially, if it could have Dremel lines around it, that would be perfect. That's the ideal bead. But this one also has a hole in it, which was great for an added support. You're going to start by inserting your wire into the bead and starting to curl the wire around the bead. Eventually, what you'll end up with as you curve it around the bead is something like this. You can curl it all the way around using that same wrist motion that we've been using. And that helps to keep it in place. And eventually, what you end up with is a great little pendant for any necklace. And that's how you wire wrap beads.